Okay. And then pass the mic to the most blank.
To the most
So pass the mic to the most. Can you describe in one word adjective your 2025 with Dentmate?
Happy.
Why?
Happy kasi happy po kami sa branch namin, sa mga kasama namin, and sa patients po namin this year.
Pass the mic to the most pretty.
Okay, to the most pretty. Sino yan?
Si Ma'am Lee.
Okay, so nandito tayo sa the most pretty daw. Yan.
For me, it's surprising.
Why?
Surprising. Kasi ang daming nangyari to 2025 that we did not expect that we'll be able to reach and we'll be able to achieve talaga.
So yun yung mga unexpected. May mga hiccups pero may mga blessings din. Mas madaming blessings na dumating.
2025 with Dentmate was a roller coaster. So talagang daming ups and downs. Luckily, we have a team, a family that really supports us, that really trusts in us. So, umabot kami ng Christmas party ulit ng 2025. So, hopefully, may 2026 pa ulit.
Correct. We're hoping and looking forward for that.
Pass the mic to the most handsome.
Ooh, most handsome. Sino yan?
Next to me, Doc Marco.
Si Marco. Okay, so na-pass the mic na po ni Justin sa inyo. Kayo daw po ang most handsome. Ano masasabi niyo po doon?
Hindi, logi kay boss eh. Hindi ko kukontra si boss lang talaga.
Second to him daw. Okay. Second to him. Okay.
Ayos, okay. Second most handsome daw.
May mga nagre-react daw sa likod.
Bukod siguro kay Doc Richard. Chinito eh.
Okay.
Ito, ano lang eh. Butchie.
Butchie.
Rito. Full feeling siguro.
Full feeling. Why?
Kasi this year, from junior to senior to head dentist, major changes sa duties ko dito sa Dentmate, and very happy ako kasi binigyan nila ako ng trust na mag-lead ng Dentmate San Juan, and at the same time, maraming development, maraming naging problema, maraming naging mga challenges, pero na-overcome lahat namin dito sa Dentmate.
Na buong puso mo rin tinanggap.
Naman po. I pass the mic to the most sexy,
Ooh, sino yan?
Ma'am Asher.
Pinasa po sa inyo ni Doc Marco dahil kayo daw po ang most sexy.
Wow!
Everyone agree, eh?
Challenging.
Challenging, why?
Madaming changes and kumbaga yung family mas lumalaki.
Growing talaga ang fan.
Yes.
Kailan ba nag-start ang Dentmate?
2019.
2019. By then, ilan pa lang po kayo as a family?
When it started, actually hindi pa rin ako kasama doon. It was just Ma'am Yen, Doc Justin as the dentist, and they have one dental assistant, that's Miss Marian.
Tapos ngayon, no? Ilan na right now?
So, parang from a 3-man team to now almost 80.
And how many branches?
Now we have 6.
Okay po.
The most beautiful. Meron na ba? Meron na kanina?
Most pretty meron po.
Ay, kasi parang beautiful, mas malalim eh. Mas iba talaga to. I think andito na si Ganda. I'll pass the mic to the pinakamaganda ng Dentmate.
See?
Doc Carl!
Pinasa po sa inyo ni Ma'am Asher, kayo daw po ang most beautiful. Tama ba?
Kayo na bahala.
Dapat. Pinakamaganda daw eh.
Pinaka.
Yan. Gusto ko yan.
2025 with Dentmate, very fruitful.
Fruitful. Why?
Very successful yung 2025 namin with Dentmate. I'm passing this mic sa pinaka-pogi naman ng Dentmate, Doc Ken.
Paano po yan, Doc? Most handsome po daw kasi si Doc Marco.
Siguro pangatlo na lang to.
Pangatlo. Ayun ay the third most.
So, yun.
Doc, tinawag ka po ni Doc Carl as the third most handsome. Do you agree?
Hindi ba?
Okay.
I think it's superb.
Why?
May Y pa pala sa akin mo.
Why?
Of course, I have lots of learnings from the Dentmate family, of course, from practices, and how to treat patients right.
And then pass the mic to the most blank.
To the most
So pass the mic.
Hindi ka na po, Aubrey.
Doc, excuse me for the term, pinasa po sa inyo ni Doc as the most Now, ano pong reaction nyo doon?
Hindi totoo.
Hindi na to. Fake news.
Fake news.
Okay.
Exciting.
Exciting. Why?
Maraming challenges, pero lahat naman na nalalagpasan.
Na-overcome.
Na overcome. At the most bugnutin in Dentmate Fam,
Sino yan?
Doc AJ.
Doc AJ. Doc AJ, kayo daw po ang most bugnutin. What's your reaction?
I'm not surprised.
Kala ko mabubugnot eh.
Adventurous.
Adventurous. Why?
Well, my experience this year sa roller coaster. So, roller coaster of emotions, physically, mentally, emotionally, especially. So, but it was fun. So,
And you enjoyed it, naman.
yes, super.
Full of adventure.
Yes, it's
When-
full of parties, of
Full-
course. I will pass the mic to the cutest dentist, Doc Ira.
So ma'am, pinasa po sa inyo ang mic because you are the most cute or the cutest. Do you agree?
I don't know.
I think we agree. I think we agree. Okay.
My 2025 experience with Dentmate, a lot of growth, especially with my career and siguro personal na din kasi we're going along sa branch namin. I'm passing the mic sa isa sa pinaka-jolly na OIC, which
Sino
is
yan?
si Erica.
Ma'am, kayo daw po ang most jolly. You agree?
No!
No. Pero lagi siya nakangiti, so parang I think tama naman yung description.
Sobrang daming challenge ng 2025 pero nalagpasan naman and ayun, naging masaya siya kahit na maraming pinagdaanan. Ayun.
Merry Christmas, Dentmate!
Merry Christmas, Dentmate!
Merry Christmas, Dentmate!
Merry Christmas, Dentmate!
Merry Christmas, Dentmate! Merry Christmas, Dentmate!
Merry Christmas, Dentmate!
Merry Christmas, Dentmate!
Merry Christmas, Dentmate!
Merry Christmas, Dentmate!